Hey guys, this is BU and welcome to my channel. Here we make our own clothes and we make clothes for our families. And today we are making this cute little romper. I have the pattern link available down below. First, you are going to create bias tapes with your straps. You create that by folding them in half and then taking the flaps and folding in half again, and then folding it together and sew a straight stitch. Don't forget to zigzag stitch the ends, the top and the bottom, so that it doesn't fray. Next, you're going to take your two bodice pieces and place them together with the right side of the fabric in. Then sew a straight stitch along the left and the right edges and a zigzag stitch. Once you have that done, open it up and then you're going to zigzag stitch all around the top and all around the bottom part, which is where the leg holes are. Next, we are going to create little tunnels or little casings for the elastic to go in. We'll start with the leg holes first. What you're going to do is fold the fabric down about 1 centimeter and do a straight stitch all across, and do it for the other side. Now flip it up and do the same thing on the top by the chest area. Once you have sewn this all the way through, leave a little opening so that you can insert the elastic in later. Should be about 1 inch. Once you have that done, we are going to attach on our straps. What you're going to do is take a ruler or measuring tape and measure 3 inches from the left and the right edge, and either pin it like I did or mark it with a pencil. Now take your little straps and place it on top of the mark that you did and sew a straight stitch to attach it on. Do it a few times so it secures it. Remember to take out your pin if you use pins like I did. This part is optional. If you're a beginner, I actually don't recommend it, but what you're going to do is take your decorative piece or lace piece and place it on the right side of the romper and just sew it on to the top. And then once you're done with that, attach it at the end, but make sure you flip it and then sew it together. Next, take your elastic and your pin, and you're going to find your little opening that you left a while ago and put your elastic in through, but make sure you leave some elastic out at the end so that you can connect them later. Now take your 2 elastic pieces, place them on top of each other about 1/2 inch and stitch it so that you can connect them, but make sure you stitch and double stitch a few times so it doesn't come apart. Stretch it out and sew it close. Now do the leg holes, but make sure you check the flap and make sure you're inserting your elastic in the direction that it's going. Leave a little bit at the end. Do 1 small straight stitch to keep it together and do it for the other side as well. Flip it over And then you're going to sew this shut by connecting the tip pieces by the leg holes. You're going to sew it a few times so it doesn't come apart again. And then you're going to flip it over again and you are done. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will be back with more tutorials. Thank you. Bye.